Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by matching the watch to your phone and purpose. Check iPhone model and iOS. If not compatible, you stop here. Next, choose size and case material for comfort and daily wear. This matters for battery and weight. Then set a firm budget that includes bands, chargers, and any cellular fees. This prevents impulse upgrades. Once that's clear, shortlist models that meet your must-have features so you can move into direct comparisons. Now you evaluate models against your shortlist. Compare SE, Series, and Ultra. Performance, sensors, durability, and price. Pick the one whose trade-offs match your priorities. For health and safety, prioritize ECG, SpO2, and fall detection if they matter to you. These affect battery and cost. Decide GPS versus cellular. Cellular gives freedom but reduces battery life and adds a plan. GPS keeps costs down. Once decided, you complete the purchase and begin setup right away. Pair the watch, install latest watch OS, and configure health data, notifications, and cellular if chosen. This ensures accurate tracking from day one. Test sensors, payments, GPS routing, and call quality in realistic conditions. If a sensor reads erratic or connectivity fails, reboot and repair first. If problems persist, use diagnostics or request an exchange. Make sure you document issues quickly so returns or repairs are seamless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.